how to fix Facebook Lite crashing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Lite crashing on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just click Lite. Here you will find it, just type Lite and then click on it, and first thing click here for stop, and then go to storage, click clear cache. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and if that does not fix your problem, just come back here to storage and then click manage storage, and now just click clear, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.